one of the most popular hobbies in the world. Many people look forward to visiting new destinations during their summer holidays. It is a fantastic way to explore different cultures, experience unique traditions, and meet interesting people. However, before you can enjoy your trip, you must prepare everything carefully at home. First, it is a good idea to write a checklist. Then, you can pack your suitcase. You should include appropriate clothing for the weather, comfortable walking shoes, and your essential toiletries. Most importantly, remember to check your wallet for your credit cards and ensure your passport is valid. Next, you need to decide on your transportation. Traveling by train, plane, or bus is incredibly comfortable. You can relax in your seat, enjoy a hot drink, and watch the beautiful scenery pass by the window. When your transportation arrives at your destination, you can begin the next part of your journey. You carry your luggage to the hotel to check in. At the reception desk, the receptionist politely greets you and requests your passport or booking confirmation. After checking your details on the computer, they hand you the electronic key to your room. After unpacking in your room, you are ready to explore the city as a tourist. It is exciting to walk through historic streets and discover famous landmarks. You can visit skyscrapers, interesting museums, or peaceful parks. By the afternoon, you will probably feel tired and hungry after so much walking. So, why not go to a local restaurant? The waiter will bring you the menu. Instead of ordering familiar fast food, it is always fun to try the local cuisine, such as a traditional regional soup, fresh bread, or a homemade dessert. Trying new food is an excellent way to experience a culture, and it gives you a great chance to practice your English skills with the staff. Before heading back to your hotel, you should visit a souvenir shop. Buying small gifts for your loved ones is a wonderful tradition. At night, you finally return to your hotel room, lie down on the comfortable bed, and look through your photos. Every single trip is a magnificent opportunity to learn something new and create unforgettable memories. Questions. Where did you go on your last holiday? Did you travel there by plane? Tell me about some of the things you saw. Did you visit any museums? Did you stay at a nice hotel? Practice your English writing by telling me in the comments section.